Are you trying to pick up the heavy truck?
Yeah. Because it's too heavy. It has the truck and the dump truck. And the heavy one.
Okay, maybe you should try again. Okay, I think you're strong. I think you can do it.
No, it's too heavy. Look, it has a truck in it.
Okay, take the truck out.
No, I can leave it in the dump truck.
Okay, can you pick the dump truck up? Let's see. Let's see you do it.
No, maybe it's too heavy.
Here. Let's do this. Okay, if I take the car out. Okay, I took the car out. Now can you pick it up?
No, maybe it's too heavy. I am trying to pick up the heavy truck.
Okay, what if we magically make it lighter? Now it's light.
No, it it don't have a light.
No, it's not heavy anymore. Now try to pick it up.
No, can you make another light on the dump truck?
Okay. Now it's not heavy.
No, make it on the dump truck side.
Okay, now it's heavy.
Yeah, maybe it's not heavy. Maybe I can carry the truck and the dump truck because I got it.